Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Friends, today I am before you for a second part of our topic, global warming. In my last week, I was talking about the global warming. Today I will be talking on the second part of the global warming with its predicted impacts. So, what are the predicted impacts that we have to see in the today's lecture? Okay. So now this is a today's scenario, present scenario, wherein the temperature of the Earth is increasing day by day. So this is all persons are aware of this. Now in this thing, why this temperature of Earth is increasing at a high level? Now there are three reasons for this. First one is the solar radiation, which is having a mixture of infrared as well as ultraviolet rays, and that will have the increase in the temperature. Say for example, solar energy, these all energies are related to the wood and coal burn. Then, and in that particular, the amount of carbon dioxide is released. That amount is released carbon dioxide will heat the earth and resulting in the global warming, and that will also increase the infrared energy, and therefore again this is the vicious cycle going on in the particular environment. Now, then what are the evidences that every person must know about the global warming? So, the first evidence is that there is an increase in the surface temperature by 0.45 to 0.60 degrees centigrade, whereas the ocean temperature has also increased, and at the same time global temperature has raised to 0.3 to 0.6 degree centigrade. So this is the overall impact of the greenhouse effect, wherein you find that there are certain things associated with the particularly greenhouse effect. Say for example, the gases there in the atmosphere is methane 14%, nitrous oxide 8%, fluorinated gas 1%, carbon dioxide 57%, carbon dioxide 3%, and carbon dioxide due to deforestation is about 17%. So this is the uh, diagrammatic representation that how these gases are distributed. Now you will find here a comparative study wherein regarding the natural greenhouse effect and the particularly the greenhouse effect with the enhanced greenhouse, which there is an impact directly on the gases which is coming to the earth and liberating from the particular earth. Now friends, in this particular thing, now today's point I am just concentrating that the predicted impacts of the global warming. You know, predicted impact means what? What impacts you are thinking of regarding the change in the environment. So the first important thing that is that is will be the melting of icebergs, and therefore the rivers will flow. This is the first point, that is the impact. Second important, there is a loss of biodiversity, because friends you all aware that biodiversity is one of the important aspects relating to the particular change in the environment. Now next thing here is the malnutrition. So malnutrition means what? Under the high carbon dioxide concentration, the plants produce more seeds and less nitrogen content, which is a critical component in the humans and animals. Okay, and in this particular aspect, here very important thing is that extinction of species means many species will die, and therefore we will lose our biodiversity. Then there will be hurricanes. Hurricanes means that is a direct storm in the sea, and that will also have the change in the environment resulting to the global warming. Second, various types of diseases. You all know that many mosquitoes are nowadays coming, and therefore they will have the impact of the particular diseases, such as malaria, very common, and malaria, diarrhea, chikungunya, and various other parasitic diseases are there which are seen in India. Now, how to reduce the global warming? Here, reducing of global warming, that is a duty of all the people. Say, for example, you have to first avoid wastage of electricity and water. Second important point, when and necessary, then only light the lights. Otherwise, you off the lights. Second, whenever there is a need of washing machine, then only it is used. It should be used. It shall be used. Otherwise, not. And also, whatever the garbage you are collecting, that garbage must also be liberated in the environment after separation, after segregation, after distribution in various tanks or cans, you can say. So, with this, I conclude my today's lecture. And one message I want to give you, that never consider your contribution too small. Only small contributions, when joined together, make appreciable impact. So, we all society, we all persons of the civilized society, have to take care of the global warming. Then and then only it is possible, otherwise not. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Thank you, one and all.